Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Burgess Manual of Systematic Bacteriology. In 1923, David Burgess, professor of bacteriology at the University of Pennsylvania, and four colleagues published a classification of bacteria that could be used for identification of bacterial species. In 1984, the first edition was published. It contained descriptions of all prokaryotic species. The second edition will consist of 5 volumes. The first volume was published in 2001 and second in 2005. 3 additional volumes are due in 2007. Microbial classification in the first edition was phenetic, based on phenotypic characterization, while the second edition is largely phylogenetic, based on evolutionary development. The 5 volumes of Burgess Manual of Classification are the Archaea and the deeply branching and phototropic bacteria, the Proteobacteria, the low G plus C gram-positive bacteria, the high G plus C gram-positive bacteria, the Planktomycetes, Spirochetes, Fibrobacteres, Bacteroidetes, Fusobacteria, Chlamydia, Acidobacteria, Verumimicrobia and Dictyoglomus. Volume 1. This volume contains a wide variety of prokaryotes in the domains Archaea and Bacteria. Archaea, it is divided into two phylum, phylum Crenarchaeota and phylum Euryarchaeota. Phylum Crenarchaeota, this phylum contains thermophilic and hyperthermophilic sulfur metabolizing organisms of the orders Thermoproteales, Disulfurococales and Sulfolobales. Phylum Euryarchaeota. This phylum contains methanogenic, halophilic prokaryotes, thermophilic and sulfur-reducing organisms, the thermoplasmas and thermococci. The two phyla are divided into 8 classes and 12 orders. Next, bacteria. The bacteria are an extraordinarily diverse group of prokaryotes. It has been divided into 23 phyla. It contains deeply branching groups and all phototropic bacteria. Some of the important phyla are phylum Aquaficae. This phylum Aquaficae contains autotrophic bacteria such as Aquifex and hydrogenobacteria. They produces water by using hydrogen to reduce oxygen. Phylum Thermotogi. This phylum contains 1 class and 6 genera. Thermotoga and other members of this class Thermotogi are anaerobic, thermophilic, fermentative and gram-negative bacteria. Phylum Dinococcus thermus. The order Dinococcales contains bacteria that are extraordinarily radiation resistant. The genus Dinococcus stains gram-positive. It has high concentration of carotenoid pigments which may protect it from radiation. Phylum Chloroflexi. The phylum Chloroflexi has 1 class and 2 orders. Many members of this group are green non-sulfur bacteria. Chloroplexus carries out anoxygenic photosynthesis and is a gliding bacterium. In contrast, Herpetosiphon is a non-photosynthetic gliding bacterium. Both genera have unusual peptidoglycan and lack lipopolysaccharides in their outer membranes. Next, phylum Cyanobacteria. This phylum Cyanobacteria contains photosynthetic bacteria. Cyanobacteria have chlorophyll A and all species possess phycobilins. These bacteria can be unicellular or filamentous, either branched or unbranched. It incorporates carbon dioxide photosynthetically through use of Calvin cycle. Next, phylum Chlorobi. This phylum Chlorobi contains anoxygenic photosynthetic bacteria known as green sulfur bacteria. They can incorporate carbon dioxide through the reductive tricarboxylic acid cycle rather than the Calvin cycle. An oxidized sulfide to sulfur granules which accumulate outside the cell. This was all about the volume 1 species. But now we start volume 2. This volume contains gram-negative proteobacteria. It contains over 2000 species in 538 genera. Many species are important in medicine, industry and biological research. Some of the genera are Escherichia, Pseudomonas, Rhizobium, etc. The phylum is divided into 5 classes. Class 1, Alpha Proteobacteria. Alpha Proteobacteria are oligotropic forms, means those are capable of growing at low nutrient levels. Rhodospirillum and other purple non-sulfur bacteria are photosynthetic. Some genera are methylotropy, that is Methylobacterium, chemolithotropy, that is Nitrobacter and nitrogen fixation in Rhizobium. Rickettsia and Brucella are important pathogens. Class 2, Beta Proteobacteria. This class uses substances that diffuse from organic decomposition. Some of these bacteria use substances as hydrogen, example alkaligens, ammonia, example nitrosomonas, methane, example methylobacillus. Class 3, Gamma Proteobacteria. This class contains 14 orders and 28 families. Some important families such as Enterobacteriaceae, Vibrionaceae and Pasteurellacea use the Embden-Meyerhof pathway and the pentose phosphate pathway. A few are photosynthetic, example Chromatium, methylotropic, example Methylococcus, and sulfur oxidizing, example Beggiatoa. Class 4, Delta Proteobacteria. This class contains 8 orders and 20 families. Some are predators on other bacteria, example Delovibrio. The order Myxococcales contains the fruiting myxobacteria such as Myxococcus, Stigmatella and Polyangium. These are prey on other bacteria. There are a variety of anaerobes that generate sulfide from sulfate and sulfur while oxidizing organic nutrients, example D-sulfovibrio. Class 5, Epsilon Proteobacteria. This class is composed of only one order, Campylobacter and Heliobacter are small sized, two important pathogenic genera. Next, volume 3. This volume contains gram-positive bacteria with low G plus C content in their DNA. which are members of the phylum Firmicutes. This phylum contains 3 classes. Class 1, Clostridia. This class contains 3 orders and 11 families. They vary in morphology and size. The members are anaerobic. Genera such as Clostridium, Desulfotomaculum, and Sporohalobacter form true bacterial endospores. Many others do not. Class 2, Mollicutes. This class contains 5 orders and 6 families. Members of the class are called Mycoplasmas. These bacteria lack cell walls and cannot make peptidoglycan or its precursors. They are bounded only by the plasma membrane, so they are pleomorphic. The genera Mycoplasma and Spiroplasma contain several important animal and plant pathogens. Class 3, Bacilli. The class Bacilli has 2 orders, Bacillales and Lactobacillus, and 17 families. Some genera like Bacillus Sporolactobacillus form true endospores. This class contains many medically and industrially important genera: Bacillus, Lactobacillus, Streptococcus, Staphylococcus, etc. Next, volume 4. This volume contains gram-positive bacteria with high G+C content in their DNA, which are the members of the phylum Actinobacteria. They form complex branching filaments called hyphae. They do not produce true endospores, but many form asexual spores and some have complex life cycles. Some of the genera are Actinomyces, Arthrobacter, Cornybacterium, and Mycobacterium. Volume 5. This volume contains gram-negative bacteria. This includes 10 phyla, out of which only 4 are informed here. Phylum Planctomycetes. The phylum contains only 1 order, 1 family, and 4 genera. Planctomycetes are ovoid or pear-shaped cells that lack peptidoglycan. Some have a membrane-enclosed nucleoid. They are unicellular, however, the genus Isospira will form chains. They divide by budding and may produce appendages called stalks. They grow in aquatic habitats and many move by flagella or gliding motility. Phylum Chlamydeae. This phylum contains 1 class, 1 order, and 4 families. Chlamydeae are obligate intracellular parasites with a unique life cycle involving 2 different stages: elementary bodies and reticulate bodies. They lack peptidoglycan. They have no appendages. They are important pathogens and cause many human diseases. Phylum Spirochetes. This phylum contains helically shaped, motile, gram-negative bacteria. The exterior boundary is a special outer membrane that surrounds the protoplasmic cylinder, which contains the cytoplasm and nucleoid. Periplasmic flagella lie between the protoplasmic cylinder and the outer membrane. These chemoheterotrophs can be free-living, symbiotic, or parasitic. This phylum has 1 class, Spirochetes, 3 families, and 13 genera. The genera Treponema and Borrelia contain several important human pathogens. Phylum Bacteroidetes. This phylum has three classes: bacteroids, Flavobacteria, and Spingobacteria. Some of the better known genera are Bacteroides, Flavobacterium, Flexibacter. The gliding bacteria Flexibacteria and Cytophaga are ecologically significant. So students, here we saw this was all about the Burgess Manual of Bacteriology. We will next meet with another topic. Till then, take care. Thank you.